Hello friends, welcome to today's Bollywood news update. I'll give you all the hot and trending news from Bollywood world today. So do subscribe our channel for regular Bollywood news and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Ayushmann Khurrana to undergo a massive transformation for his next film. Ayushmann Khurrana is one actor who always tries to test his boundaries. Each film, each character is completely different from the last one, proving that he is not one who follows the philosophy of if it ain't broke, don't fix it. The actor is doing something similar for his upcoming project with Abhishek Kapoor too. A leading news portal got in touch with a source close to the project who revealed that the actor has gone off social media in order to protect his look from his next project. The source stated he is purposely being elusive on social media because he doesn't want anyone to get a glimpse of his transformation before he starts shooting. Kangana Ranaut says Karan Johar, Aditya Chopra, Mahesh Bhatt killed Sushant Singh Rajput. In an explosive allegation, Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut named filmmakers Karan Johar, Aditya Chopra and Mahesh Bhatt besides a senior journalist as people responsible for killing Sushant Singh Rajput by bullying, exploiting and harassing the late actor. Karan Johar, Aditya Chopra, Mahesh Bhatt, Rajiv Masand and entire army of bloodthirsty vultures, the mafia media, killed Sushant. Only son of the family succumbed to bullying, explosion and harassment in Bollywood, and here KJO Karan Johar promoting his kids. Shame, tweeted Kangana for her verified account on Tuesday evening. Ranbir Kapoor's special bonding with Sanjay Dutt. Ranbir Kapoor has always idolized Sanjay Dutt. This is why he broke his no biopics rules and agreed to play Sanjay Dutt in Rajkumar Hirani's biopic. Now the bonding has gone even stronger after Dutt's illness. Says a close friend of Ranbir, he has been there, seen it before and that too not too long. Ranbir took his father through the whole journey of cancer treatment. He knows what is it like to watch someone very close go through it. Apparently, Ranbir Kapoor is more deeply affected by Dutt's illness than he is willing to admit. Ranbir hides his feelings far away from prying eyes. He doesn't allow even those closest to him to see what he feels. But this time Ranbir is very disturbed and everyone around him can see that, says a close friend. Siddhant Chaturvedi is excited about shooting with Deepika Padukone this month. Siddhant Chaturvedi, Deepika Padukone and Ananya Pandya star together in Shukhan Bhatra's Next. The film is said to have a contemporary storyline that will resonate well with the audience. Shooting the project was supposed to happen in Sri Lanka, however the makers have now shifted it to Goa. This month, the cast and crew will finally begin shooting in Goa, and a leading daily caught up with actor Siddhant Chaturvedi about how he is feeling ahead of the shoot. He said it will be flying off to Goa this month of Shukhan Bhatra's film. We will be put up there for a period of 1 month and I am very excited for working with Deepika Padukone. Raveena Tandon got very angry on Kangana's claim about 99% of Bollywood consuming drugs. Kangana Ranaut has not stopped voicing her opinions about the Sushant Singh Rajput case. After speaking about nepotism for months in relation to Sushant Singh Rajput case, the actress has lately claimed that 99% of Bollywood consumes drugs like water. This statement has yet again created a debate on social media, and several netizens have started talking about and asking some of our celebrities to either deny the statement or agree with it. Raveena Tandon decided to quote his tweet and speak the truth, which surely makes sense. The actress tweeted saying, "Globally 99% of judges, politicians, babus, officials, cops are corrupt. This statement cannot be a generic description for all. People are intelligent. They can differentiate between good and bad. Few bad apples cannot spoil a basket. Likewise, our industry also has the good and the bad." Saif Ali Khan as intelligent demon in Pravas terror, grand announcement coming for Adipurush. Post the success of Tanhaji, the unsung warrior, everyone was excited about Om Roth's next and who is in the dreams. Would have imagined that Pravas to collaborate with the filmmaker. Titled as Adipurush, the makers have earlier released the motion poster of the film and now something huge is on the way. Yes, from the side of Adipurush team, it's officially out that a big announcement will be made on Thursday. They have also set an interesting time for the proclamation. Yes, the big news is coming in at 7:11 am tomorrow. Sharing the same, the official Twitter handle of T-Series posted 7:11 am tomorrow, #Adipurush. Stand with you. Shivani Dandekar comes out in support of Rhea Chakraborty. Actress Vijay Shivani Dandekar has called out media personnel for misbehaving with Rhea Chakraborty, who is accused to abandon in suicide in the case and death of her late boyfriend Sushant Singh Rajput. Shivani posted a lengthy Instagram note in the support of Rhea, whom she has known for a long time. I have known Rhea for a long time, since she was 16 years old. Vibrant, strong, vivacious, such a bright spark, so full of life. I have witnessed such a stark contrast to the side of her personality over the last few months as her and her family. Jacqueline Fernandez goes unfiltered with her latest Instagram post. Actress Jacqueline Fernandez is keeping it real and has shared an unfiltered selfie on Instagram. In her new pictures, Jacqueline in sans makeup and doesn't hesitate to show off her freckles. And out come the freckles. Jacqueline Fernandez captioned the image along with rainbow, sunflower and sun emojis. Fatima Sana Sheikh gets back to work as she starts dubbing for the upcoming Anurag Basu film. Actress Fatima Sana Sheikh has resumed work with lockdown easing. She has started dubbing for her upcoming film, the Anurag Basu directed multi-starrer anthology Ludo. In a new Instagram picture, Fatima captures a shot of the dubbing studio with a mic and a big screen with #Ludo written on it. On the image, Fatima wrote, "Dubbing #Ludo." Rhea Chakraborty to file a defamation case against Sushant Singh Rajput's family. Rhea Chakraborty has been undergoing a lot of pressure lately after being accused as the primary suspect for the Sushant Singh Rajput case. The actor passed away by suicide on June 14, and a month later, his father filed a FIR against Rhea Chakraborty with the Central Bureau of Investigation looking into the matter currently. The late actor's family has accused Rhea Chakraborty of fraud and abandonment of suicide. Rhea Chakraborty gave a detailed interview revealing her side of the story. A lot of new aspects of the case have come to light. In recent developments, the Central Bureau of Investigation has nullified the murder angle and will be looking into the case through a suicide angle. Enthrallment Directorate was looking into the financial aspect of the case and has given a clean sheet to Rhea Chakraborty while she is under the scanner by the nepotism. Friends, this is it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like the video and share the video with your friends. Do subscribe for regular updates and click the bell icon. See you in the next video very soon. Till then, stay safe and be healthy.